Hello, Deo. Happy 50th birthday. Good health. God bless you and see you soon. We love you. From Team UK. From Ate Tess and Kuya Romel.
Hello, Deo. Happy 50th birthday. I wish you all the best and to your family, good health, and hope to see you soon.
See you.
Bye.
Bye.
Take care.
Hello, Deo. Binabati kita ng maligayang bati sa iyong ika-50 kaarawan. Ang aking hiling, dalangin ay hindi lamang sa iyo, kundi sa buong pamilya, ang kalusugan, kasiyahan at kasaganaan. Lagi kayong pagpalain ni Lord. Namimiss namin kayo at salamat sa lahat sa pagtingin mo sa aking kapatid na bunso at sa yung mga anak. Ingat kayo palagi at mahal namin kayo ng buong Xavier. Happy birthday.
1, 2, 3, go. Happy birthday, Tito Deo. Today, miss ko na po yung beef pares mo.
Enjoy your day po today.
Happy birthday. Thank you for everything. We wish you all. We love you all.
Bye-bye.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Tito Deo.
Birthday, mag-ingat siya palagi dyan.
Happy birthday, Tito Deo.
Happy birthday, Deo. Wish ko lang sa'yo good health and happiness forever. God bless your family. Enjoy your party.
Birthday, Deo.
Happy birthday, Day.
God bless you and good health parate.
Day, wish ko lang sa iyo na good health and more blessings to come. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Love you.
Happy birthday, Deo. Wish ko lang sa iyo matupad na lahat ang pangarap mo para sa pamilya mo. At magandang kalusugan para sa inyong lahat. Miss kita na anak. I love you, anak. Mag-enjoy ka sa birthday mo. God bless.
Hi, Tito Deo. Birthday blessings. Happy 50th birthday, Tito Deo. More favors to you, more travels, more blessings, more wealth. We love you. We miss you. We'll see you soon with Nok and Bebe Isa and Yasi. God bless. Bye. Happy birthday ulit.
Awiting bago ay naghihintay para
birthday, Tito Deo. Mag-iingat po kayo dyan. Huwag niyo po papabayaan sarili niyo na magkasakit. Happy birthday po.
Tito Deo, happy 50th birthday and I hope you enjoy your very special day. And wish ko lang naman sa'yo is maging healthy and happy kayo buong family. And matupad lahat ng pinapangarap mo. And hindi naman po basihan yung edad sa pag-abot ng mga pangarap. So, fighting lang Tito Day. Happy birthday again!
Happy 50th birthday, Tito Deo! We wish you a good health and long life!
Happy birthday, Deo. 50 ka na pala. Sana ang wish ko maging malakas ang pangangatawan mo at maayos ang pamilya mo.
Happy 50th birthday day. Ang bilis talaga ng panahon. Magiging malakas parate, good health talaga. Tapos, Happy New Year na rin sa inyo ni Joyce at ang buo yung pamilya. Again, thank you sa before at sa lahat-lahat ng naano mo din sa akin. Hindi ko talaga nakalimutan yun din. Thank you, thank you. At again, happy 50th birthday. Parating masaya
Happy
lang,
birthday.
laban. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Hi Deo, happy 50th birthday sa iyo. Wish ko sa birthday mo ngayon at sa mga susunod pang panahon ay happiness, success, good health, and more blessings sa iyo, kay Joyce, kay Yasi, at kay Isapot. And ang iyong pasensya at ang strength mo ay make you a shining example of a good husband and a good father sa kanilang mag-iina. Nawa ay pagpalain kayong patuloy ng ating Panginoon, more blessings and good health. Love you and miss you all. Happy birthday ulit, Deo.
Hello, happy birthday, Deo. More happy birthdays and blessings to come. Enjoy your special day. Ingat lagi.
Happy birthday, Deo. Mahalin mo yung pamilya mo. Sana huwag kang magbabago. Happy birthday, 50 years old.
Hi Tito Deo, happy birthday. I wish you good health and long life. See you soon.
Happy birthday, Tito Deo. We miss you and hope we can see you soon. Ingat po palagi. See you soon.
Miss your food.